aspirants, welcome to Detailed Chronicles by Aviram IAS Academy. So, Detailed Chronicles start chese kante mundu, we have launched Basics to Bureaucracy course, that is Basic Foundational NCERT course, which is for 45 days and the fees is just for 99 rupees offline, and online it is 999 rupees. So, everyday basics lo confidence ledu ani anukuntunnaro, come join us in our NCERT basic classes course. Clear? So, ee roju the detailed topic today we are discussing is about the Axiom 4 mission. So, already manandarki telisinde, after 41 years, our Indian astronaut, one of our Indian astronaut has been went into the space, that is after 41 years. So, he is Subhanshu Shukla. So, tanu Axiom 4 mission ద్వారా మళ్ళీ స్పేస్ లోకి వెళ్ళారు. ఒకసారి డీటెయిల్ గా Axiom 4 అంటే ఏంటి, దాని ఆబ్జెక్టివ్స్ ఏంటి, why it is important for us, and let us also know about the Gaganyaan mission which India is about to launch. Clear? So, idi ee roju detailed chronicle and the objectives for this class. So, let's see. So, you can see here the Subhanshu Shukla and the Axiom 4 has been launched today. Now, in this in this session, let's talk about what is Axiom 4 mission and what is significance of the International Space Station, that is ISS. And now, what is theme of this Axiom 4 and also Gaganyaan mission ante ento kuda oksari chuddam. Clear? Now, next. Asalu ee Axiom 4 ante enti? What does mean by Axiom 4 mission? So, if you see as a number here, it is suggesting it is the 4th mission with respect to the Axiom space flight. Clear? Ante దీనికన్నా ముందు ఇంకా 3 missions అనేవి సెండ్ చేశారు, that is Axiom 1, Axiom 2, Axiom 3, and this is the 4th mission. Now, Axiom ante enti? Axiom is nothing but it is a private space company. It is private space company. ఇప్పుడు ఈ Axiom 4 ని ఎవరెవరు లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నారు? సో, Axiom 4 is launched by Axiom Space Company, NASA and SpaceX. Clear? వీళ్ళు ముగ్గురు జాయింట్ గా Axiom 4 మిషన్ ని లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో, if we see the details, Axiom 4 mission is a private space flight mission organized by Axiom Space in collaboration with the NASA. And further, it is launched like yesterday, that is June 25th of 2025, where the mission carried 4 astronauts, where Subhanshu Shukla from India is one among them. And further, 4 astronauts abroad, like they were launched with SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. So, వీళ్ళు SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket యూజ్ చేసి లాంచ్ చేశారు. Falcon 9 rocket. Clear? So, SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket and Crew Dragon ship spacecraft to the International Space Station. వీళ్ళు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నారు? They're going into the International Space Station. So, next International Space Station అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసుకుందాము. And further, this mission's primary objective, this is very important, ఈ mission primary objective ఏంటి అంటే to conduct the scientific research in microbiology with experiments across fields like microgravity research, health sciences and also the artificial intelligence. So, basic గా microgravity గురించి research and conduct చేయడానికి. Clear? Remember. So, ఇది ఎందుకు లాంచ్ చేశారు? This the objective for launching this is first, to conduct research about the microgravity, life sciences, and also artificial intelligence. Clear? And if you remember, do you remember that experiment where crops experiment, where sprouts have been reproduced there. The chickpea seeds have been sprouted in space. గుర్తుందా? Sprouted in space. So ఇలాంటి ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ కండక్ట్ చేయడానికి కూడా we are using this Axiom 4 machine. Clear? So life sciences కానీ ఫర్దర్గా మైక్రోగ్రావిటీ గురించి, AI గురించి రీసెర్చ్ అండ్ కండక్ట్ చేయడానికి. దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ ది Axiom 4 machine. ఇప్పుడు దీని థీమ్ ఏంటి? సో యాజ్ అందులో తీసుకుంటే 4 astronauts, one is Shubhanshu Shukla and other 3 astronauts lo one is like a senior astronaut and further one is from Hungary. He is the first pilot to come from Hungary country. So వీళ్ళందరినీ కలిపి ఒక కామన్ థీమ్ ఏం పెట్టారు అంటే రియలైజింగ్ ద రిటర్న్, దట్ ఈస్ రిటర్న్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ Axiom 4 కానీ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ రిటర్న్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ కంట్రీస్ astronauts కానీ. సో వీళ్ళని రిప్రజెంట్ చేయడానికి ద థీమ్ దే హ్యావ్ బీన్ కెప్ట్ as రియలైజింగ్ ది రిటర్న్. రిమెంబర్ దిస్. సో గ్రూప్స్లో అడగొచ్చు, అదర్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో అడగొచ్చు, SSCలో అడగొచ్చు, అదర్ లైక్ స్టేట్ సెట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆ సెట్స్లో కూడా అడగొచ్చు. సో ద థీమ్ ఆఫ్ Axiom 4 mission is రియలైజింగ్ ద రిటర్న్. రిమెంబర్ దిస్. So further, if you see, the Axiom 4 mission mainly focuses on private sector. So this is public-private partnership, PPP, public-private partnership. That is, as it is conducted by NASA in collaboration with SpaceX and also Axiom, where these two are private space companies. So the Axiom 4 mission focuses mainly on private sector participation in human space flight, and also it aims to conduct scientific experiments in microgravity and also space-based health research. ఒకసారి ఈ space-based health care research ఏంటనేది చూద్దాము. And mostly India is conducting this. అది further గా we will see. And further, moreover, this mission is a significant step in human space exploration. Human space exploration, as 4 of the astronauts are going into the space, into the International Space Station, and further signaling a future where public space companies like Axiom Space can play a prominent role. Clear? So Axiom for significance ఏంటి? ఒకటేమో మైక్రోగ్రావిటీ గురించి, and further life sciences గురించి, healthcare గురించి, and further it is also the main important objective here is the public-private partnership. Clear? So how private companies can play the prominent role in launching this human spacecrafts. Clear? Now next. So crew members చూద్దాము. Crew members, 4 crew members as we already know. So first is Shubhanshu Shukla from India. He is the pilot. Clear? After 41 years, an Indian astronaut is going into the space. So first is Rakesh Sharma. And the second person is Shubhanshu Shukla. He is the pilot, first Indian to reach International Space Station. But he is the first Indian to reach the International Space Station and second Indian in the space. And other is the Peggy Whitson from USA. So India, USA, Poland and Hungary. Remember, India, Poland, Hungary and US. So US నుంచి ఎవరు? Peggy Whitson. He is the commander. He is holding the US record for the longest cumulative time in the space. I think approximately 169 hours or 269 hours. Okay, this subject to correction, but he is holding the longest hours of time in the space. Peggy Whitson from USA. And further, Swelensky from Poland. Now she's like ESA mission specialist, second Polish astronaut after 1978. So Tibor Kapo, I think he's the first. Okay, he's the second from Hungary. He's a mission specialist, second from Hungarian astronaut after 1980. If you see these all, అందరినీ చూసుకున్నట్టయితే they have the second people from their countries, that is from US, Poland, except commander, that is Peggy Whitson. If you see, all were the second. So US, Poland, India and Hungary. So that is why the theme here is realizing the return. The theme is realizing the return. That is return of the all the countries into the space. Done? Now, next up. What the significance of this Axiom 4 mission for India? So, three significances, major significances. As you know, India is going to launch its first ever human space flight, that is human space program, that is Gaganyaan mission. So, Gaganyaan mission ki ela use avutundi Axiom 4 anedi. And andulo kuda Subhanshu Shukla is one among them. Clear? So, revival of human space flight. So, Shukla is becoming the first Indian to enter the ISS, that is International Space Station. Only the second Indian in space since 1984. He's the second astronaut and first person to reach ISS. Clear? First Indian person. Now, next. He's also boosting, this mission is also to boost the Gaganyaan mission. As we discussed, the first human-based flight from India. So, mission complements India's ambition to launch its own crewed space mission, that is Gaganyaan, and build an Indian space station, that is Bharatiya Antariksh Station. Bharatiya Antariksh Station by the year 2035. Now, this is International Space Station. So, deenlane India is planning for building Bharatiya Antariksh Station. Clear? And further, scientific leadership. So, India is leading and participates in multiple experiments expanding India's role in space scientific experiments or space scientific leadership. Clear? So, major significance in revival of human space flight. Okay, second Indian astronaut and first Indian astronaut to reach the International Space Station, and further to boost our Gaganyaan mission and further space leadership. Clear? These main significances of the Axiom 4 mission. Now, let's see India ఏమేం experiments చేస్తుంది space లో with respect to this mission. So, India is doing experiments like life sciences paina majorly. So, it is doing on life sciences like cyanobacteria, which is investigating the oxygen levels there. Investigates oxygen production in the microgravity, and further sprouts. Already we saw the crops mission. So it is investigating the sprouting seeds and also how sprouts will help the health care for the astronauts in the space. And further, space microalgae, which is investigating microalgal for food and bioenergy in the space. Applied research and Voyager displays, that is, it analyzes the human interactions with the displays. Myogenesis, that is muscle regeneration in the space. Food crop science, and also targeted, that is it sees the survival there, the survival rate of tardigrade in the space. Clear? These are the experiments what India is conducting with respect to microgravity and also in the Axiom 4. Clear? And further, let's talk about the International Space Station, as the 4 astronauts in the Axiom 4 mission is launching near the International Space Station. So, International Space Station ekkada untundi? It is a massive spacecraft in low Earth orbit, So, it is like a laboratory for the scientific experiments. And ever launch chesaru deenni? So, it is launched by NASA. Roscosmos, that is Russia. NASA is in USA. Roscosmos in Russia. ESA, European Space Station in Europe. JAXA in Japan. And CSA, Canadian Space Station at the Canada. Clear? So, USA, Russia, Europe, Japan and Canada have been launched this collaboratively. So, this ISS has been continuously occupied since November 2000 and is a collaborative effort of these 5 countries. That is USA, Russia, Europe, Japan and Canada. Clear? And further, it is serving as a platform for experiments in biological subjects, medicinal subjects, material science, physics and others. Clear? And the main thing is about the microgravity. About microgravity and about the humans in ISS, that is International Space Station. Clear? వీటన్నిటి గురించి ఒక ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ కండక్ట్ చేయడానికి Axiom 4 అనేది లాంచ్ చేశారు, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ ది ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్పేస్ స్టేషన్. అండ్ ఫర్దర్, see, as I said, India is also going for its first ever human space mission, that is Gaganyaan mission. So Axiom 4 is also helping us to know, like, అంటే ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్పేస్ స్టేషన్ లో మనం ఎలా ఉండొచ్చు, హౌ హ్యూమన్స్ విల్ బి దేర్ అని చెప్పేసి. క్లియర్? సో Axiom 4 mission is helping for our Gaganyaan mission. So what is Gaganyaan? Gaganyaan mission is India's first human space flight program which is aiming to send the Indian astronauts into the space. Only ఇక్కడ Indian astronauts ఉంటారు. ఎవరు లాంచ్ చేశారు? ISRO has been launching this. It is planned by ISRO. The mission is expected to launch in the year of 2027. Clear? 2027. And further, same, ఇది కూడా low earth orbit లోనే. The astronauts will fly into the low earth orbit for a mission duration of about 7 days. Now వీళ్ళు Axiom 4, the crew will be for 14 days, that is 2 weeks. But whereas Gaganyaan mission, they will be for 7 days where they'll conduct the scientific experiments in the space. Clear? So what all did we see? We have learnt about Axiom 4 mission and how it is helping India, significance to India. So everywhere launch చేస్తున్నారు, the collaboration between Axiom Space and further NASA and also SpaceX. So this is a public-private partnership program. So దీని significance ఏంటి అంటే private participation ఉన్నప్పుడు how we can see more improvements in it. Clear? And also significance to India, we saw further Gaganyaan mission గురించి. How Axiom 4 is helping our Gaganyaan mission. Clear? So after 41 years of span, an Indian astronaut is going into the space and is the first Indian astronaut to reach the International Space Station. Clear? And India is conducting experiments with respect to life sciences, like crops experiment gani, targetase experiment gani, like cyanobacteria experiments gani, myogenesis experiment gani, ilanti life sciences experiments ni India is conducting. Clear? So 4 crew members from USA, Poland, Hungary and India. And like exam lo ela adgochu ante, what is Axiom 4, what is significance of this Axiom 4 mission and how it is helping with respect to the like Gaganyaan mission ani adagochu. Clear? So this is very much important for the exam. Please be prepared and notes make cheskondi. As I'm always telling, do not depend upon any magazines, just depend upon the newspaper itself. They are your primary sources for the exam. See, follow PIB, follow The Hindu, follow Indian Express. This will cover almost your current affairs. Clear? So ఎప్పుడైనా సరే న్యూస్ పేపర్ రీడింగ్ అనేది హ్యాబిట్గా చేసుకోండి. అండ్ ప్లీజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్, come and visit Abhiram IAS Academy. It will help you at any stage of the exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.